He's stuck in and all well.
My name is Sir Keith Ajegbo. The reason I'm here and the reason I need a hip replacement is that I was a serious tennis player. I was a very good junior and tennis was incredibly important to me, I think, in terms of my life. Then in December I was playing a doubles and it hurt a bit more. And then I had an x-ray a few days after and I realised that I'd fractured. The next day, I feel fine. I've been out in the corridor, walking up and down the corridor, initially on 2 crutches, then on 1 crutch, and finally walking actually really well without a stick at all. Given that yesterday I had the operation, I feel it's incredible that now I'm on my way back, but I imagine now that I will get back to playing tennis hopefully in 3 or 4 months. So I'm really, really pleased.